What's up, guys? I'm Vito, and this is Vito's Auto Vlogs. Today we're going to be checking out the Model S. Take you guys along with me, so let's go check it out. My thoughts on the Tesla Model S. It was like really comfortable. The quality is like higher quality than the Model 3 for sure. Um, it's quiet in the cabinet. Um, Everything is like very awesome to the touch. Like just touching the steering wheel is like I just keep kind of wanting to play with it because it has a really cool feel to it. It was kind of weird trying to adjust to the turn signals, having to like hit the button, but after doing it for a while, it kind of became second nature. The traffic and everything, how it reacts, and you can just see it all on the dash there is pretty neat.
Bro, I'm telling you, this is crazy. I don't like the freaking braking. Not bad.
For the Model S, you do get a screen in the new one as well in the back, and it's definitely a lot more cleaner than the Model 3 was. Just looking at everything, the wood grain, all those little aluminum pieces, like very like high class feeling. The whole car has like a Mercedes type, Lexus feel to it.
So I had to throw this into the video. I was on the test drive and I ran into a McLaren 12C, MP12C. This is the first model that the McLaren made on their own after doing the Mercedes collaboration with the SLRs. So yeah, I had to throw that in there for you. So there's a little treat for you. A little Panda spec. It's super awesome car. And it looks so stunning in person too. So if you ever get a chance to check one out, definitely do. And they sound pretty good too. I wish we could have hear it running. Okay, to finish it out, in the interior of the Tesla here, we're just going to pipe it into the reverse like that, and you can see like the parking spots in the dash right there, and you flick it forward to go into drive, and you're off. And the acceleration is just insane. Like I couldn't even show it right here because I about dropped the dang camera. But it is the craziest feeling. Like you have to experience it. If you have not, I definitely recommend checking it out.
Okay, guys, that was the Model 3 review. I'm Vito, and this is Vito's Auto Vlogs. If you liked what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you. Peace.